Bills pile up, your wallet feels like an empty void, and the dream of glowing, colorful plastic seems so far away. We've all been there. But what if I told you there's a card that could not only help you manage your money but also light up your life, literally? Introducing the Neon Card. Now, before you get too excited and picture yourself bathing in the radiant glow of neon wealth, there are a few things you need to know about getting your hands on this elusive piece of plastic. This video will be your one-stop guide to navigating the world of neon cards, from understanding their benefits to the nitty-gritty of the application process. So, buckle up, grab a metaphorical, or literal, highlighter, and let's dive into the world of neon. Why a neon card? The glowing benefits. First things first, why even bother with a neon card? Well, besides the undeniable coolness factor, seriously, who wouldn't want a card that lights up? Neon cards offer a variety of perks that can seriously improve your financial well-being. Here are a few highlights. Rewards program, earn points on every purchase you make, which can be redeemed for awesome stuff like gift cards, travel experiences, or even, gasp, more neon products. Budgeting tools, keep your spending in check with built-in budgeting features that help you categorize expenses and track your progress towards financial goals. Cashback options, some neon cards offer sweet cashback rewards on specific categories like groceries or gas, giving you a little money back on everyday purchases. Fraud protection, rest easy knowing your hard-earned cash is secure with advanced fraud protection measures that keep your account safe. The neon application process, demystifying the maze. Alright, so you're sold on the neon card. Now comes the part that might sound a little daunting, the application process. But fear not, intrepid financial adventurer. Here's a breakdown of what you can expect. Eligibility check. Head over to Neon's website and complete a quick online form to see if you qualify. This typically involves checking your credit score and income. Gather documents. Once you're pre-approved, you'll need to provide some basic documentation like your social security number, proof of income, and a valid government-issued ID. Application review. Neon will review your application and let you know their decision within a few business days. Card activation. If approved, your shiny new neon card will arrive in the mail within a week or two. Once it does, follow the instructions to activate it and start reaping those glowing rewards. Neon nuances, things to keep in mind. Before you hit submit on your application, there are a few things to consider. Fees. Some neon cards come with annual fees, so make sure to factor that into your decision. There might also be fees for things like foreign transactions or ATM withdrawals. Credit score impact. Applying for a credit card can affect your credit score, so weigh the benefits against the potential impact on your creditworthiness. Spending habits. Be honest with yourself about your spending habits. Do you have a good track record of paying your bills on time? Neon cards can be a great tool, but they can also lead to debt if not used responsibly. Is the neon card right for you? So, is the neon card your financial knight in shining armor? It depends. If you're looking for a rewards card with some cool features and budgeting tools, then it could be a great option. But, if you have a poor credit score or struggle with managing debt, you might want to consider a more traditional credit card with lower fees and a focus on building credit. Ultimately, the decision is yours. But hopefully, this video has equipped you with the knowledge you need to make an informed choice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your finances glowing.